Okay, welcome everybody back to another episode of the Boostly Podcast. My name is Mark Simpson. I give hosts just like you the tools, the tactics, the training, and more importantly, the confidence to go and get more direct bookings. You may realize I've got something new. This is my new tattoo. I got it done very, very, very recently, and it just means control on what you can focus, or focus on what you can control. All that means to me anyway. But I wanted to do today's episode because I just want to say to everybody that consistency is everything.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly Podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely. If you want my respect, you better put direct. Here are the words in the podcast, that's what comes next.
So with your hospitality business, those of you that have been consistent over the course of the last year and been posting every single day on social media, again, I've always said this, if you post every single day, good things will happen to your business eventually. And it may not be tomorrow, it may not be the next week, it may not even be next month, but eventually good things will happen. And the example that I want to give to you is one that happened very, very recently for my wife, and she's not even in hospitality. So my wife last year started up a business, a skincare business, part of New Skin, which is a network marketing for skincare. She used to be a trained and qualified beautician, and then when we started traveling, she gave up her salon to travel the world. And she's always been looking to get back into some form of business in some way, shape or form. After trying many things, she's settled on this and she's just thrived massively. Really loves it. Nice company, nice people. And I know the whole stigma around network marketing, MLM, whatever you want to call it, but this is the best I've ever seen for her. It's the most passionate I've seen her for ages, and it's so great to see. And she is as consistent and as disciplined as anybody that I've ever met. She even gives me a run for my money. And she's been posting every single day, and she's been not only educating but making it fun and documenting her journey. And she has gone from just being a brand ambassador, so basically somebody who recommends the product and people see her talking about it, they use her affiliate link, and then she was getting money here and there, to now where she's grown and there's over, I think she said to me, there's over 8,000 people in the UK in this team that she's ultimately in. And now she is being promoted and she's part of the top 23 in the whole of her big team of like 8,000 people, which is phenomenal. And we're all massively proud of her. But this is the result of consistency. So now she's got a team underneath her. So she's got people that are also part of her team that she's recruited into the business, and all skincare geeks, etc. And they're doing really, really well. And I hear her talking to them every single day. But she's also been posting online and posting on social media every day and being on Instagram every day. And the thing that I want to tell you about is that Laura went to go and test out a new hairdressers in town. And she posted while being there, and just again spoke about it, tagged the company in, and documented the area and documented the place and X, Y, and Z. And the result has been is that the owner of the salon, the overall owner, saw the post, saw the Instagram tag, reached out to the hairdresser, and coincidentally, she was looking, I think, to work with influencers or people in the area that are going to talk and promote the business. And she's been asked to go in now to go and get a free haircut, a free hair dry. I mean, I don't know much about it because obviously I don't have any hair, but she basically gets a free service every week and all she has to do is talk about the business once a week, which is fantastic. So a free haircut, free hair dry, and she wants to talk about the business. And she's got salons all over the area, and it could be something that would be very good to help her expand and grow her business even further. And this is all become not because she's the best of the best when it comes to skincare. It's not because she's got a massive following or anything like that. She's only got a couple of thousand. It's become because she's consistent, entertaining, knows her stuff, a nice person, and has just got time to help others along the way. And you at home can easily do this as well. You just got to be consistent. It's boring. It's not glamorous. You have to do it on the days that you don't want to do it. For example, I remember when both Laura and I had COVID, she had it really bad, but she still found the time while she was laid in bed, feeling very sorry for herself, to be able to communicate with her team and still put up a little post on Instagram here and there and still be consistent. And the good things are coming on the back end of it. So this is my message to you. We've had in hospitality travel, tourism, one of the worst years. Some people have survived, some people have thrived, some people have made it work, some people have had to pivot. But it's those that have been consistent. Tracy Tolman, every single day, going live on the beach walk while walking the dog in the local area of where she is in Wales. Her followers, supporters, superfans will remember this. Her guests see this and recognize this. And now the people in a local area recognize seeing her doing this as well. And it will come back leaps and bounds. I promise you this. So to Tracy, to my wife Laura, and to anybody else who's been consistent and posted every single day on social media, well done. And for those of you that are thinking, well, I don't know where to start in all of this, then literally I can help. Go to boostlycontentcreator.com, BOOSTOY contentcreator.com. £5 a month. You get 30 to 40 pieces of content to post on your social media every single day. You can use it on Instagram stories, Facebook, LinkedIn, every social media channel. It's video, it's still templates, it's the copy that you need. And that's not even talking about the email templates or the website copy that you need. So please do go and use it. Please do go and utilize it. It's literally £5 a month. So as always, I'm here to help. So please do go and take advantage of it. And for those of you that have done this consistently, well done. I'm really proud of you, and I'm really looking forward when Revenge Travel properly kicks in for you to just be full non-stop. So very, very much so. Thank you for watching this, but please do go and take action. And if this is the first time you've tuned in to the Boostly podcast, go to boostly.co.uk/podcast and go check out all of the back catalogue that is there. We are coming up to the 300th episode, which I'm really excited to be doing. And please do tune in, and please do tell and spread the word. Like, subscribe, download, all of the things. #book direct. Speak to you tomorrow for another episode of the Boostly podcast. Thanks for tuning in.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.